First delivery today, bubble mats, anti-fatigue for standing on for long periods of time. So they were 13 quid each, including postage, so I bought two. One for where the green mat and the lights is, and one for where the grinder is. We'll see how they work. Aha! This is a Lucas & Son, the favourite oiler. So that's going to get it clean. Lovely. I got this the other day because I see it and I thought it's a little bit unusual. It is it's a King Dick. That'll be a keeper. I think it cost £6 plus postage, but it's a little bit different with this wheel there. So we get that clean as well. More cling film for my lunch. Excellent. This, if you can recognise it already, is a 10-inch Bemis & Co. I don't think that handle is supposed to be that bent. I have to look into that. Anyway, oh, it works. Well, yep, it does work. Excellent, so that'll get it clean as well, won't it? And here we have one of the diamond alloys I'm missing. So now we have the 12-inch. So now I've got a 4, an 8, a 10 and a 12. So that's today's tool haul. Okay, so car boot. First off, see this nice little Stanley power lock. All works good. Asked the man how much. He said £1. I said, can't give you £1, what about 50 pence? He said, no, my wife said everything's got to go for £1. I said, no, I can't do £1. And he would not barter down. And I started to walk away. I was prepared to give him the £1, to be honest. He said, oh, I'll chuck in this little brass frame and that for £1. So I took it. Free brass frame. No good to me. Don't know, might stick a picture of a spanner or something in there. We'll have a look, eh? Right, so that was first, £1. I'm happy to give £1 for the old Stanley. Power lock, is it a power? It is indeed a power lock, it locks. Don't know why it's power lock, but we'll see. Never seen the point of a 2 metre or 6 foot tape measure. That's a bit crazy, but there we are. Second thing, I mean it was shit, but when I built the workshop, I had to build the wife a third of it and give her her own door. Didn't have a handle. Found a handle now, so handle and a little latch there. I shall fit that later and she'll be happy that she can get in her bit. £1. Happy with that. Now, the other day I sold one of these Makita drill box because didn't use it. But didn't use it, put it up for sale, sold straight away on eBay, so I bought another one. Look at that rusty tatty shit in there. God dear. Anyway, I sold the one I had for 27 quid. This cost me £2. So that'll get a little clean, and that'll go up for sale like it is. I mean, it's shit, but money's money, innit? That's that. Then finally, I bought some dustbin bags because, you know, you can never get dustbin bags in the supermarket as good as what they sell at the car boot sale for some reason. And then, sounds good, doesn't it, this one? Drawback on this, it's got one tray missing. So, it's a Acromilb, you know, that good brand, right? So, I said to the girl, how much? She said, £3. £3. Can we see all this in there? So I had to have it, didn't I? So what we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 drawers of assorted bits. Don't even know what's in it. Haven't looked myself. Look at this. Fucking hell. Obviously, I'm not too keen on. Tell you what, best thing to do with that is to get a box, isn't it? And empty every single one. Otherwise, it'll be like it forever, won't it? Fucking hell, how deep is that? This is all tat to me, but you never know when you want a flat-headed, you know, a flat drive screw. Right, I'm happy with that. £3. And I've got a pair of loppers for £2 as well, tree loppers. So, you know, the ones with the long handles. So, that's that. I think that's got to be, shall I? As is the latest thing. I'll slip this tray in this bag here. £9. £9. Oh, where else could you get £9 of assorted toot and a little cupboard for £3, eh? Oh, that's got me a lovely assortment of washers. Got loads of washers, eh? Bolts, bits. You never know what you're going to do, do you? You're never going to know what you're going to need. So, I'm even happier with that than I thought I'd be. And I sorted those come out of one drawer, look. If I could sell those two for £3 on eBay and get me money back, wow. Wouldn't that be a bonus? Let's stick you on pause and clean them. So what we got there? We got two little I clean them up and they say marbles or braids or anything, I'm happier. He's back, and I'll do a close-up in a second on the let me get this image. Right, this one going to be a little bit different to clean, isn't it? That's it's taken apart. Oh, I smell of old oil. Oh, all of oil's old, and it's millions of years old. Never mind. Right, let's get that very quick go on the polishing wheel, and we'll come back. This is what you come up against. You come up against this motley stuff. Fucking camera. Up against this mottle here. It's quite rough to the touch. So you got to be careful with this because it's only thinly brass plated. But I think I've done quite well there. Get that one off. The other side had lost a bit more of the brass plating. Obviously this is a side that's handled and pushed and your thumbs go all around it. So the brass plating has actually come off around there, but that's not quite too bad either. So eBay for that bugger. Right, what was next in the thing? Let's go for... Should we go for this unusual King Dick? I say it's unusual. Ben's probably got 100. Don't know how it comes apart, so just wind it to its fullest extent, clean it, and then wind it to its minimum and clean it. And see what it comes out like. It's this back from the cleaners. All works nicely. So that's an unusual King Dick. It's an unusual one for me. Like I said, I'm gonna keep that in the collection. I reckon I mean that's so close to never being used. What I noticed when I opened it up here, even the jaws had this on. It's actually got a sharp edge. It looks like where it's not been taken down from the... Let me get that on the camera. It's very hard, isn't it? There we go. That little raised edge there. It's like it's not been taken down from the factory, both sides, and look on the jaws as well. So I'm gonna say that's never been used, but I could be wrong. Anyway, that's clean for now. I will go through all my King Dicks at some point, re-clean them, and polish them. So it's not had a polish; it's just had a clean on the wire wheel. That's a nice little find, I think. Right, I'm going to do this one. I'm not going to do the Bemis and Cool. I'm going to do that in a separate video. But I'll clean this Stymaloy up. It's not the freest. That's been peened over in there. But it's clean for now. Can go on the wall until I can get round to tighten it up a little better, because the jaws are a little bit see that? A little bit damaged. But that's clean enough to go on the wall now. So that's that. This we can't really do too much to, because we'll take the plastic off, we'll take some paper under there. I'm going to have a go with goop. Get this. Okay. One thing that always makes these look better. Undo that. Take that off. Don't forget, if you want to get banned from leaving comments, leave a nasty one. Only takes one. Right, so it's that, and that. And I'm off to fit this for the wife now. just to mention, just a quick one back, just to mention, one of the things, when you buy something on eBay, check you haven't already got one. Now, although they are slightly different, look, that says diamond, and that says diamond alloy. The diamond alloy is newer because you've got the little, what's in there, 3/4. That end's just rounded. That's a lot heavier as well. So that was a waste of money, wasn't it? I've got a, oh, that's actually, that 10 is older than that. So I've got a 10 there. That says diamond. That one cleaned up well. That says diamond, and then I've got a 10 here that says diamond, but it's got Duluth, USA on it. So again, that's different, and that's a 5/8. So these are getting hard to age now. And then I've got another, got an 8-inch diamond alloy there, so that one fits that set. Crazily enough, I've got another diamond for sale. So too many 10s now, too many 12s. Yeah, so I'm back again. Let's just go through these 12s again, because while I went to hang them up on the wall, that I've got another 12 diamond alloy, and I noticed I've got another 12 diamond alloy. I'm gonna have to stop looking. What can you do, eh? Whatever. Right, bye for now.